geachte kijkers, we staan op Schiphol, aankomsthal 4. We gaan vandaag de studenten die vanuit de bovenwindse eilanden komen voor hun studie hier naar Nederland filmen. En jullie een indruk te geven van deze groep die de komende jaren hier in Nederland hun studie zullen afronden. Wij gaan straks even al deze groep samen met meneer Candelari even in beeld brengen. Hierna gaan ze dus naar het hotel van de Valk op de A4. Daar gaan ze dus hun programma horen, hoe ze een en ander de komende tijden zullen doorbrengen hier in Nederland. Ik wens u veel kijkplezier en tot later.
It will be counting sounds up and down the streets, and Stephen playing the games to be, so that we can dance, dance, dance the night away. On the eve of Carnival, I'll be jamming with Miguel. Dance, dance, dance the night away. When I grab she round she waist, she said move this way.
Volgens zijn kapot, dus we moeten nou eerst zo scannen en dan gaan claimen. Dus nee, ik weet het niet. Ja.
It will be he coming from the streets, and Stephen playing the case to be. I hope you all enjoy this session and come back next year for another one, so that we can dance, dance, dance the night away. On the eve of Carnival, I'll be jamming with Miguel.
Hoe is de groep aangekomen?
Nou, ik ben net inderdaad aan het informeren bij de verschillende mensen. De eerste reactie was toen ze uit het vliegtuig stapten, waren ze blij en tevreden en blij dat ze er zijn. Ik heb ook net begrepen van de begeleider van de studenten dat van 4 studenten de koffers niet zijn gearriveerd. En daar is onze directeur Marva Richardson is nu binnen met ze bezig om dat door te geven en te handelen. En dat het verder afgesproken wordt wanneer die dan wel in Nederland zullen zijn. Maar afgezien van die 4 en afgezien van datgene wat we allemaal net hebben meegemaakt, het einde van de Koninkrijk Spelen, dat er zoveel passagiers waren, it's looking good.
I'll be jamming with Miguel. Dance, dance, dance the night away. When I grab she round she waist, she said move this way, look out. There will be people coming from all over this land, jamming in London, greatest festival. There will be clowns and sounds up and down the streets, and Stephen playing the guys so big, so that we can dance, dance, dance. On the eve of Carnival, I'll be jamming with Miguel. Dance, dance, dance the night away. When I grab she round she waist, she say move this way, watch me.
My name is Nkosasana, and I will be your master of ceremony for this afternoon.
And I bring to you greetings from the pastor of the Methodist Church here in Nederland, namely Reverend Midna Lake, Reverend Pastor Alfred Glasgow, wishing each and every one God full assurance. Before we remind them of their purpose, let them keep that straight line and let them aim straight forward towards their goal. Help them to think before they react. Help them to think before they react when the strength is not there and time are getting rough.
Students, there you are. most welcome. Please allow me, though, in a few seconds, to welcome our distinguished guest for today. And we must start with our Minister Plenipotentiary, Mrs. Mavis Salmon Brooks. So nice of you to make this Sunday your Sunday to be here. We appreciate it very, very much. And of course, also, we would like to thank the Director of the Cabinet, Mr. Candelaria. Thank you also for being here. Next to him, or one round of applause from SSA, colleague of our Director, Lucille Hulen, and of the students. She had a hard week with Wednesday and Thursday, and still weeks coming. So glad that you're here. Most welcome as well. And, you know, when you all were traveling here, you saw around you in the plane, and you see where you were traveling with Marcia from the Department of Education. Must have felt warm. And you were traveling also with Glenn Carty of the Chamber of Commerce, and with, you know, the Chippy. Hello. All of them are here, especially for you. I don't want to go in all the details of all the people that are here. Welcome you, because we're going to meet with them, each and every one in our own time, and according to that we are here. But mainly, all dignitaries, all representatives of entities, welcome, and most welcome to be here on behalf of the board of the St. Maarten Student Support Services. One person I would really like to put some attention on, because, you know, this is times that we are talking a lot about slavery and things like that. We have in our midst here, and you students, when you were there with our new director, Martha Richardson, you had some speeches at the University of St. Maarten. We also have a doctor here who's also a lecturer, you know, sitting right here with us, Dr. Altrell Kane. He is of NINSE, and NINSE is the National Institute for the Study of Dutch Slavery and its Legacy. We are so proud that you could join us here, and I must tell you, all of this is all the efforts that we are putting into it, but this is only the small part. The main part was the whole organizing committee, the staff of S4. Students, work close with them. Remember the cause that you stepped on that plane. Remember that the rain is shining, or there were minor things when you were traveling. The big part is here to come. And our organization, the St. Maarten Student Support Services, there in The Hague, small organization with the leadership of Dr. Martha Richardson. I tell you, they are putting up a program for you, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Now the rest is up to you. This is only the first step. Please make us proud and let us know. Send us a little note when you see you have your first year. I have my propedeuse. And especially when that nice, big, beautiful diploma is there, just send us a note and let us know that things are going good with you. If in the event things are not working out, you feel that it should not work out, remember, it's not St. Maarten, this is Holland, cold, wet, but that's nothing. The nice part is, when you're sitting in the classroom, feel proud. We just sang the song as a St. Maartener. Be proud that you're here, because this is your future that you have in your hands, so make it a good one. And on behalf of the board of S4, my pennymeister, my treasurer, because, you know, without him things would be kind of impossible. Mr. Edgums, just let them see, this is the man that, you know. So if in case, you know, that the money is kind of going the way that you think, don't call him. He said, well, okay. Then you still have Amerik, who is also the person at the office, Amerik van der Plas. You would see letters coming in from him. Mind, remember this, remember that. But mainly, Martha Richardson, congratulations. This is the first step. And especially to your staff and the leader of the opvang, Elton Villarreal, but you're going to hear all of that. Please welcome in Holland, you 39 students from St. Maarten and Stacia.